poster. So my name is Rameau and I will guide you through this work. So I'm very glad to present the results of a large team effort in order to build a uniform library of the emission spectra of young exoplanets with the Gemini Planet Imager. So over the last 4 years, we've been observing 10 exoplanets with the GPI in order to obtain high-quality emission spectra from 0.95 up to 2.45 micron. Our object actually span an effective temperature range from around 3000 Kelvin down to 700 Kelvin. As you can see from those spectra, very strong molecular absorption features are detected, including water absorption, but also carbon monoxide, and for the very cool exoplanet 51AB, we also detect very strong methane absorption there. Using these spectra, we've been applying forward modeling using 5 different model grids in order to characterize the atmospheric properties of those objects, but also to test those models and see whether a single model family would be able to fit all our data at once. So this is the summary plot showing the best fit from each of the different model families. As you can see, there is not a single model family that is able to produce all the data as well at once. Some of the models, like the Drift Phoenix, usually better reproduce the colors of those objects, whereas like the BD models are better to reproduce the shape of individual bands. Actually, for some of the grids, 51B hit the lower boundary in effective temperature, which is usually around 1000 Kelvin. Lastly, we also have been comparing our data to the spectra of young isolated bone dwarf. As you can see from this figure, there is a best match that is very good for all of these objects in the population of isolated young bone dwarfs. So it means that the population of young directly imaged planets and that of young field bone dwarf share very similar atmospheric properties. So we can learn from each other. We can learn from the isolated bone dwarfs, which are usually easier to target, to observe, in order to improve our understanding of the atmospheric properties of directly imaged planets, but also of transiting exoplanets with similar effective temperature. So this is actually it for the main part of the model, so I invite you to go through and to read the details. And I wish you a good conference.